Are you looking for the best table saws? In this video we will look at some of the best table saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DIY Cutting Tool Table Saw. Safety blocks. The transparent acrylic material does not block the view above the saw board to prevent the finger from touching the saw blade. The range of the saw blade. The adjustment range of the saw blade is 0.1 to 15 mm. The saw blade rises inverted in time and it is convenient to use. Aluminium angle push ruler. All aluminium angle ruler can be adjusted at 0 to 90 degrees. Laser radio carving. Can be used for a long time and can reach angle cuts. Table saw dust tube. Equipped with a vacuum tube and a car vacuum cleaner that can absorb dust at work to prevent the house from being disturbed by dust. Number 2. CNCEST Sliding Table Saw. Wide application range. Can be used for metal cutting. Suitable for soft metal materials such as aluminium. Also can be used for 3 cm hardwood cutting, PVC plastic cutting, 10 mm acrylic cutting, etc. Strong power and lasting stability. Cutting depth 33 mm, cutting smoother. Angle cutting, cut out 0-90 degree angle at will. Accurate and efficient operation. Made of high quality material, safe and eco-friendly, firm and durable. A set of tools are available for use. Enough to meet the installation and use needs. Number 3. Mini Sliding Table Saw. At just 19 cm by 16 cm by 10 cm, this table saw is compact and easy to store, making it ideal for home woodworking. Includes a complete machine, power supply, multifunctional saw blade, drill chuck, sticky disc, and sandpaper for immediate use. Equipped with a robust motor rotating at 8,500 rpm, ensuring smooth and efficient cutting through materials. Cuts through soft metals, hardwood, PVC, and acrylic with precision, making it a versatile tool for various DIY projects. Number 4. TT1015 15 amp 2 horsepower 10-inch table saw. Features a rip capacity of up to 28¾ inches for taking on 4x8 plywood and OSB sheets. Powerful 15 amp 2 horsepower motor rotates the included 10-inch TCT40T blade up to 4,800 rpm. Adjust both the height and angle of the blade to cut boards up to 3/1/8 inches thick at 90 degrees and 2¼ inches thick at 45 degrees. Compact design combined with onboard carrying handle make for easy storage and transportation. Includes an adjustable narrow rip fence, table extension rest, miter gauge, push stick, 2½ dust port, tool-free blade guard, riving knife, onboard storage. Number 5. New 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw. Legendary worm drive gearing with 3/5/8 inch depth of cut and 31½ inch rip capacity. Precision rack and pinion fence system makes fence adjustments quickly and smoothly for accurate cuts. Rugged rolling stand with 16-inch wheels and easy load handles delivers unsurpassed mobility. Dust port elbow contains debris to one area for cleanup. Outfeed and left support allow for larger cuts to be made by one person.